Hi, it's mate from Custom Cruisers. Right, we're going to take this oil tank out because all the mounts are shagged on it anyway. You can see what a mess this is, okay? And looks like this hose has been codged up with tape where it's been split. And this oil's supposed to have been changed recently, but it doesn't look like it to me. So, pretty horrendous stuff in there. So what we're going to do today is get the oil tank out. Then we can get to the motor, sorry, the tranny, take all the top of the tranny off, get all this lot out, all this cassette, because that's pretty shitty, to put it mildly, and rebuild this bearing on the end, put a new bearing in it. But I've got to admit, this is quite a big job. And as you can see, this oil is supposed to be changed recently. I don't think so, but if it is, they must be using Mazzola. If you're interested in any work done on your Harley, give us a bell. 01, that's 77383566. Alternatively, customcruisers.com. Okay, masses of wiring bodges on this as well. This is actually the seat mount, whereas it should be here. The list goes on. Anyway, if you got a shed you want repairing, give us a call. Or if you got a nice bike, I would appreciate that. I mean, check this, the way the exhaust held on with the Jubilee clip. It doesn't even mount up. And then this one is just the same. Exactly the same codge up on this. So to get this tranny apart, we've obviously got to basically take all this, you know, all this crap off. Just praying these bolts don't split. But buy from customcruisers.com. Our new site, customcruisers.eu, got a load of half-price goodies on there. Got some cracking deals. Got some exhaust, 50% off, some billet wheels, bags of gear. Give us a call. Customcruisers.eu, the new site, customcruisers.com, the old site with something like 15,000 products on. And Mike Chabot, Custom Cruisers, 017738335. We are open over this COVID-19 disaster, but we're not sort of seeing people in the shop. You can drop your bike off, we'll work on it and give it you back after you paid us, okay? And you can collect it, but we're not actually doing shop sales as such. Thank you.